Kejela Meghalaya haringkat kari baru kawai negasni baar kala Rakhe ya kejing dap nyau snem kejing lai luit kari hapdeng kejing lang be jingshongkun bha bala pelong keleng kejaka jong kejela hamni haslong kenong ba kejela umindru rong ba kejela konrat ke sangma ula penhere kala malai rong kari but shime ka rashtriya salute jong ki khat prat liki kin hun bekentup ya ki BSF CRPF MLP Tripura State Rifles bat ki skol kejela hangani gasni umindri rangba ula shimru ya ka benta ban sam ki khusnam bapher shaki nong shnong kejela bekentup ya ka khusnam Arts and Craft Village Award shaka shnong Rakhe East Khasi Hills halor ka jimpne ya ka put ka tem na latin rai bat ka sap than ki si kashnong larnai ho West Giant Hills halor ka jingshnai ki khiu kin daw yong kashnong pahimbir hari bhoi halor ki khana pateng katangmang East Khasi Hills halor ka jingshna shili asit kamairang halor ki kam thodur shna modur shna jingshna de ki ring bat ka amin dagre West Garo Hills kabala bananam halor ki kam shna jingshna de ki ding bat ki mau yaga State Literary Award usnem ahajar khadway la Aisha uled Dr. JS Shangpliang halor ka kot khasi ka khet bat ulwelin R marak halor ka kot garo pakit cham rangi agana umindri rangba ula IT ru ya ka khusnam State Literary Award jong usnem arhajar shipho sha uled Dr. Larlington Kharkongor halor ka jingtho ya ka kot khasi ka nongrim bantei batte song ya ka yeng ka sem kari bachai bin rim but uled BS Bangshal ubatho ya ka kot garo sonajing nalor kani lapun benaru ya ki kerteng jong piyo padang ya ka khusnam Police Medal for Meritorious Service Awardees Fire Service Medal for Meritorious Service Awardees President's Home Guards and Civil Defense Medal for Distinguished Service, Home Guards and Civil Defense Medals for Meritorious Service. Umindri rangba ula samru ya khusnam shaki nongjob jong ka March Pass ki be shimta ha ka jing Rakhe ya ka Independence Day ha ka ba ya ka nam baning kong layo da ka Holy Cross Secondary School nang mansong the first runners up shaka School Adventist Higher Secondary School but the second runners up shaka Nongra Presbyterian Secondary School ha ka ne ka jing Rakhe la donru ki cultural program jong ki khana school ka St Mary's Higher Secondary School ka Shillong Public School St Raj Secondary School Holy Cross Secondary School, but Government Girls Higher Secondary School.
It gives me immense pleasure to extend my heartfelt felicitations to you on India's 77th Independence Day. It is a solemn occasion for us to reflect upon the many struggles and sacrifices of our freedom fighters. As proud Indians, we remember with respect the contributions of leaders like Mahatma Gandhi, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, and Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. We also remember the freedom fighters from our own soil, U Turab Singh, U Kyang Nangban, and Kathogan Sangma. We have a target of creating at least 5 lakh employment opportunities in the next 5 years. The government will continue to strengthen the primary sector of the economy, comprising of agriculture, horticulture, animal husbandry, sericulture, and fisheries. There is a potential to create up to 3 lakh employment opportunities in the primary sector alone. The high-value products of the state, like Lakadong turmeric, Khasi mandarin, and pineapples, are now being exported to overseas markets in Europe and Middle East. Friends, the state's flagship program for supporting farmers, livestock rearers, fish farmers and weavers, the Focus program, will benefit all the 6.5 lakh rural households. The program so far has supported more than 3.5 lakh farming households, organized into 18,000 producer groups. The government provided about 176 crore support to producer groups and individuals over the last 2 years. I have personally seen and heard several heartwarming success stories under the program. The case of 19 farmers at Singdeng Producer Group from Nongminsong village, East Khasi Hills, is really worth sharing. The farmers distributed the 95,000 rupees they received from the program amongst themselves to procure vegetable seeds and manure.